Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Saturday to you all. I hope you all doing well by God's grace. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. As you guys can see today, we are about to do 4 knotless braids, 4 box braids style, you guys. I've been seeing this hairstyle anywhere I go, so I decided to try it. And guess what? Wow, you guys, this hairstyle was a bomb. Anywhere I go, people will be like, I like your hair, I like your hair. I got so many compliments in this hairstyle. And as you guys can see, I'm using the last braiding hair I used in my previous video, the knotless braid style. I don't know if you guys remember, but that's the last hair I'm using. I have 2 bundles left, so that's why I decided to do this style. And these styles came out so nice. I'm so in love with these styles, you guys. And please comment down below, let me know what video you guys want me to do, and I will. Please guys, again, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? I will appreciate every bit of your support, okay? There's nothing like small support, okay? And I'm showing you guys how much my hair come off from the perm and flat iron. I did video on this, so I will link in the description below. Make sure to go check it out, guys. And again, I'm showing you all my products that I will use. And you guys, after perming my hair, a week later I start seeing this dandruff, and I don't like it. I'm not a fan of dandruff, okay? So I will keep you guys updated on what I will use to get rid of it and all that, okay? So please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And that's all. I start by parting my hair. I'll part into 4 sections, you guys, and put all my gel, jam, hair products, oil, everything. And yeah, enough of talking. Let you guys watch. As you guys can see, oh my goodness, my hair, I'm super in love with this hair, yo. So shiny, silky, smooth, yo. Super in love. As you guys can see, I put into 4 sections, and I did the front zigzag, yo. The front line zigzag and the back just straight back, okay? So now let's get into braiding. As you guys can see, I did the first braid off camera just to make sure that I'll be able to do it before showing you guys, and I succeeded. So here it is, guys. I just put the extreme gel into my hair, making it straight, now flying anything before braiding, you guys. And these hairs, oh my goodness, they're so bomb. These hairs made me look even younger. You're so cute on me. I would definitely do it again. And guys, make sure to try it. I'm sure you will love it. These braids took me about 40 minutes to finish the whole process, okay? As you guys can see, I hold my hair with a black rubber band before I start braiding, so the hair won't get loose, okay? And make sure not to tie your hair too much because it will be hurting at night time, you know? So please, guys, make sure to hold it the way you want it, not too tight, not too loose, okay? As you guys can see, my last braid, I ran out of orange color, so I decided to add blue black hair color to the one I had. Okay, so guys, feel free to add anything, any color to your hair. It will make it even more brighter. And I continue braiding all the way down using my extreme gel. You guys, I don't want any fly back or flyers or anything. I don't want none of that. So that's why you guys see me using the extreme gel and jam. Okay, and always, you guys, I've been looking for mousse, so please make sure to comment down below anyone that you guys are using that you know it will be best for me. Please comment down. I ordered one online, but I haven't received it yet, so that's why you guys see me using all these products to make sure my hair lay back straight. Okay, so please link it down below. I will appreciate it if you guys do so. Voila, you guys, our hair is all finished. It's looking nice. And now it's time to add our little butterflies. Yo, I forgot how they call that. I know it, but I forget it. So just trying to put on the hair and put our beads. I'm using the same beads that I used in my previous video, okay guys? So yeah. Now y'all, I secured the hair till it can't rub anymore. Then I cut off the leftover. Okay, I use my small scissor or my hair clip just to cut it off, and make sure all the hair length are the same before cutting off any leftovers or anything. Okay guys. Our hair is all finished. We did the baby hair and everything. So please guys, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. God love you more, and please stay safe out there.